Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Learn. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and also click the bell icon to get the latest notification. So today we are going to discuss the following topics, that is stock market index, NSE, NEET, BSE and finally Sensex and Nifty. So let's get started. So let's start with stock market index. So what is a stock market index? We can say that it is a barometer of market behavior. It is a statistical measure which shows changes taking place in the stock market. Okay, so statistical market index indicates the day-to-day fluctuations that occurs in a market. So what is the importance of this stock market index? It provides the investors with the information regarding the average share price in the market. That is, with this information only, the investors can decide upon buying or selling of these shares. Okay, so the stock market index is used as a tool to represent the characteristics of its component stock, all of which bear some commonalities, such as trading on the same stock exchange or belonging to same industry or having a similar market capitalization. So we can classify this stock market index as a price index or a wealth index. Okay, so what is a price index? Price index is a simple arithmetical average of share price with a base date. Okay, so this index gives an idea about general price movement of the market. So price index represent the general price movement of the market. So what is a wealth index? Wealth index, the prices are weighted by market capitalization. That is, the base value period are adjusted for subsequent offers for right and bonus. So according to the rights and bonus, this price will be giving a weight, and according to that the index is created. So there is a price index and wealth index. Okay, a stock market index is created by selecting a group of stocks that are capable of representing the whole market or a specified sector or a segment of market. Okay, so we are not taking each and every stock to calculate the stock market index, but a group of stock which can represent the whole market or a specified sector is selected, and then the stock market index is calculated. Okay, the purpose of the index is to quantify the price movement and monitor sensitivity of the market. So this is all about stock market index. Okay. Now let's move on to the second topic, that is National Stock Exchange, NSE. Okay. So National Stock Exchange was established in November 1992. Okay. It is the first to offer screen based trading all over India. So National Stock Exchange is the first stock exchange to offer screen based trading all over India. Okay, and NSE is the largest and modern stock exchange. The NSE has been a pioneer in Indian financial market, being the first electronic limit order book to trade derivatives and ETFs. The exchange has two separate segments, namely capital market segment and money market segment. The capital market segment is concerned with the trading in equity shares, convertible debentures, and debt securities, whereas the money market segment facilitates high value trading in debts, public sector bonds, mutual fund, treasury bill, call money instruments, etc. Okay, so National Stock Exchange operates a nationwide electronic market offering trading in capital market, derivative market, and currency derivative segments, including equities, currency futures or options, equity based ETFs, gold ETFs, and retail government securities. So, National Stock Exchange NSE was established in November 1992, and it was the first stock exchange to offer screen based trading all over India, and it's the largest and modern stock exchange. Okay, so next we can go on with National Exchange for Automated Trading System, NEAT, National Exchange for Automated Trading System. It is a satellite communication technology for trading. Okay, so NEAT was set up to provide a modern, fully automated screen-based trading system which is used in NSE. So NSE, as I told you the slide before, NSE offer screen-based trading all over India. So this is provided with the help of NEAT, that is National Exchange for Automated Trading System. Okay, it operates a strict price and time priority. So speed provides transparency, speed, efficiency, in trading. Okay, so need to offer trading platform for a wide range of products for multiple market indulging in equity shares, debentures, mutual fund, exchange, derivatives, etc. So, as said earlier, NSE, that is National Stock Exchange, has played a catalytic role in reforming the Indian securities market in terms of microstructure, market practice, and trading volume. It all occurred with the help and innovation of National Exchange for Automated Trading System. So, this is NEAT. So, NEAT is a satellite communication technology for trading. It was set up to provide a modern, fully automated screen-based trading system. Okay, so now let's discuss about the Bombay Stock Exchange, that is BSE. So BSE is the oldest stock exchange in Asia. It was established in 1887. BSE has a computerized its trading system by introducing BOLT, that is Bombay Online Trading. Okay, so BSE also provide a host of other services to the capital market participants, including risk management, clearing, settlement, market data services, and education. That is, there is a Bombay Stock Exchange Institute also in Bombay. So they are also providing education. It has a global reach with the customers around the world and nationwide presence. BSE systems and the process are designed to safeguard the market integrity, drive the growth of the Indian capital market, and stimulate innovation and competition across the market segments. So, BSE also includes an equities trading platforms for small and medium enterprises, which is an important and a striking point. That is, BSE includes an equities trading platform for small and medium enterprises, that is SME. Then we can say that BSE also provides depository services through Central Depository Service Limited, that is CDSLM, and BSE's popular equity index, that is the S&P BSE Sensex, is India's most widely tracked stock market benchmark index. So we can say Bombay Stock Exchange, that is BSE, is the oldest stock exchange in Asia. It was established in 1887 and it provides a lot of services to the capital market other than trading, that is risk management, settling, market data, education, clearing, etc. And the BSE has a computerized trading system, that is Bolt Bombay Online Trading. And BSE also include an equities trading platform for small and medium enterprises. So that's all about the Bombay Stock Exchange. Hope it's clear. So next we can discuss is Sensex and Nifty. So as we just learned now, in India there are two major stock exchanges, that is BSE Bombay Stock Exchange and NSE National Stock Exchange. So we also learned what is meant by a market index. Okay. So the index of BSE is called Sensex and the index of NSE is called Nifty. So Sensex is the index of Bombay Stock Exchange and Nifty is the index of National Stock Exchange. Okay. So the full form of Nifty is that National Stock Exchange 50. That is the full form of Nifty. It is also recognized as Nifty 50. So why is it Nifty 50? That is, Nifty 50 constitute of top 50 companies that are actively traded in National Stock Exchange. And Sensex we can also say that Sensex 30. That is, Sensex comprises of the top 30 companies actively traded in Bombay Stock Exchange. Okay, so Sensex is the market index of Bombay Stock Exchange and Nifty is the index of um, National Stock Exchange, and Nifty can be said as Nifty 50 as 50 represent the top 50 companies that are actively trading, and Sensex is Sensex 30, that is BSE Sensex 30 as it represents the top 30 companies that are actively trading in BSE. So there arises a question that NSE and BSE, which is better for you? Okay, so in that case we can say that BSE is more suitable for beginners while NSE is most suitable for seasoned investors and traders. So I hope Sensex, Nifty, then market index, then BSE and NSE, then also NEAT. All these topics are much more clear to you all. So That's all for today. So if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and also share the video to all commerce students you know. And please give your precious feedback in the comment section. I'm just waiting to read your feedback. So please then subscribe to Let's Learn and also click the bell icon to get the latest notification as I'm uploading a commerce video on a daily basis. So please subscribe to Let's Learn. Okay. And for more commerce topic, keep watching Let's Learn. Thank you.